So this is the 3-point connector bar that I'm working on. I just forged the hole down there with the torch and some punches, and I did just a cycle by holding this in place, and figured out that right there actually works pretty good. I can get through my whole cycle. First, center punch your hole. Second, cheat a little bit because your torches are running out of oxygen, and drill a pilot hole. Then use your torch or any other heat source to get that bad boy just glowing red hot, and use some punches and a big hammer and something solid to drive that punch through, and keep stretching that out. Flip it over, repeat, heat it up, punch it out, flip it over, heat it up, punch it out, until you can get your pin through. Sometimes it helps to weld the pieces together if you're forging through 2 or more pieces at once. We're getting somewhere. Not quite where we need to for our pin, but it's stretching pretty nice. If you ever feel like the work that I do might work for you and you're in the Michigan area, you can email me at fjplattyservices@gmail.com. No dots, no spaces. fjplattyservices@gmail.com.